Now, under this reasons review 1, I am going to cover the topics distance, midpoint, slope, parallel and perpendicular lines. So first, the first 4 problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 4 same type, I am going to do first, and this is about the distance. So what is the length of the line segment whose endpoints are 1, -4 and 9, 2 is given. So first, for which I have to write the formula for the distance. So distance is square root of x1 take away x2 square plus y1 take away y2 square. And if I substitute, so to substitute x1, y1 these values, I have to label these x1, y1 for the given points so that it becomes easier to substitute here. So for x1 it is 1 minus x2 is 9 whole square, and y1 is -4 minus 2 square. And if you simplify, 1 take away 9 is -8 square, and -4 take away 2 whole square is -6 square. And on simplification this becomes -8 square means -8 times -8, which is positive 64, plus -6 whole square means -6 times -6, which is positive 36. When you add 64 and 36 you will get 100, but it is under square root. Square root of 100 is 10. And if you check the answers, the 10 is 3 here. So in this way you have to answer the second, third and fourth. You please practice. Now if you see the problems 5, 6, 7 and also the 8th one, all are about the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points. So let me show you the model, taking this 5th one as model. So here the midpoint, first of all you should know the midpoint formula. In the reasons exams they don't give you the formulas for midpoint or the distance, so it is necessary for you to remember only by practicing. So each time you have to write the formula. You see, I am not doing the problem directly, I am writing formula. So that x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. You too have to write the formula, then if you substitute it becomes a good practice for you. So x1, so first I have to label these points x1 y1, x2 y2 for the given points, so that x1 is 2 here plus x2 is the 8 over 2, and y1 is -5 plus y2 is 3 over 2. On simplification, 2 plus 8 is 10 over 2, -5 plus 3 on calculator it gives us -2 over 2. Therefore 10 over 2 it is 5, and I get -1. For this 5 -1, when I search for the given answers for this 5th question, I got 5 -1 in the 4. So in this way you have to do these problems. So please practice in the same model 6th, 7th and 8th. Though 8th is given in the form of a graph. So for ln, first of all you have to write the coordinates for L and N, and thereby you take the midpoint, and then you find the coordinates of the midpoint of this ln. That is the procedure. And coming to 9, 10, 11, these 3 one category, these 3 are same type. So let me show you 9th. In the same way you can practice 10th and 11th. So in the 9th, he himself giving the coordinates of the midpoint M, and he is also giving the coordinates of A, but he is not giving the coordinates of B. What you do, you have to assume the coordinates of B as x2 and y2 and use the same midpoint formula. Here this is x1 y1 for A, so -3 is the x1 and x2 is x2 only, we don't know, and y1 is the 6 and y2 is y2 since we don't know. So in this way I can calculate the the coordinates of the midpoint. But this midpoint of this AB is given as m and whose coordinates are negative 5, 2. If you carefully observe, this x coordinate equal to the given x coordinate, this y coordinate equal to this y coordinate. So when you equate, for example, I can do this here, negative 3 plus x2 over 2, that is x coordinate. This if I equate to negative 5, and if I simplify, here it is 2, so I am multiplying with the 2 on both sides, so that 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then negative 3 plus x2, negative 5 times 2, which is negative 10. And I am adding 3 on both sides, then I get x2 is equal to negative 7. And in the same way, 6 plus y2 over 2 is 2. So to cancel this 2, I am multiplying with 2 left side. Since I am multiplying left side, I must do right side also. So I am cancelling 2 and 2. I got 6 plus y2, which is 4, and I am subtracting 6. Thereby, I got y2 as 4 minus 6. My calculator gives me negative 2. Therefore, the point is x2, how much we got? Negative 7. And y2 is negative 2. For this answer, when I search 1, 2, 3, 4, it is available at 4. So 4 is the correct answer. In this way, please practice 10th and 11th, similar to 9th one. Now, you can see the next 3 problems.